Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your Ncell SIM is active and inserted. This matters because deactivation commands require network access. Once done, check which auto-renewal pack is active so you target the right code. Make a quick note of its name. Next, open your phone app and dial the Ncell UST access code. This puts you into the operator menu where auto-renewal settings live. Stay ready to follow prompts. These menus change, but the flow is consistent. Once you're in the UST menu, navigate to Offers, then Data Packs, and then My Subscriptions. This path finds your auto-renewal options. You will see the active pack listed. Select it, then pick the option that reads Deactivate, Stop, or Cancel Renewal. Make sure you read each prompt. Sometimes operators ask if you want to keep remaining data. After choosing Deactivate, confirm when prompted. You'll get an SMS that confirms the change, which proves the process worked. If no SMS, try again or use the app. Complete the process by waiting for the confirmation SMS that states auto-renewal has stopped. This is your proof. Once you have it, open the Ncell app or dial the subscription status UST to verify the pack is no longer set to renew. If you don't see confirmation, make sure you selected the correct pack and confirmed, then reboot the phone or reinsert the SIM. If issues persist, contact Ncell support. Explain steps you took and provide the SMS timestamps so they can trace the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.